The Inspirational Quotes in Capsules Gifts for Women by Infometry is a unique and heartfelt product designed to deliver daily doses of motivation and positivity through small, capsule-sized messages. This product consists of 50 capsules, each containing an inspirational quote or positive affirmation aimed at empowering women and lifting their spirits. Packaged in a charming glass bottle, it serves both as a decorative item and a source of encouragement. The concept is simple yet effective. Open one capsule each day to reveal a motivational message, helping to foster a positive mindset and emotional strength, especially during challenging times. The product is marketed as an ideal gift for women, whether for occasions like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or simply as a thoughtful self-care gesture. The capsules themselves are made of gelatin and are designed to be opened easily to insert or read the tiny scrolls inside. Each capsule holds a carefully rolled piece of paper with an inspirational quote, and the set includes small golden rings to secure the rolled notes, enhancing the aesthetic and giving the messages a scroll-like appearance. The glass bottle measures approximately 2.1 inches wide by 2.9 inches high, making it a compact and attractive item suitable for display on desks, shelves, or bedside tables. Users have praised the product for its creativity and emotional impact. Many reviews highlight how the act of writing and reading these tiny messages can be a meaningful bonding experience, particularly for couples or close friends. One reviewer noted how gifting these capsules to a partner helped bridge communication gaps by expressing love and appreciation in a non-verbal but deeply personal way. The process of crafting the notes also encourages reflection on positive aspects of relationships and life, which can be therapeutic and uplifting. The aesthetic appeal of the product is frequently mentioned. The glass jar is of good quality and visually pleasing, making it a charming decorative piece. The capsules resemble small pills, which adds a quirky and memorable touch to the gift. This design makes the product stand out from typical greeting cards or gift notes, offering a more interactive and lasting experience. However, the product is not without its challenges. Several users have pointed out that the capsules are fragile and can break if handled too roughly while opening or inserting notes. The gelatin material is also water-soluble, so exposure to moisture can make the capsules sticky and difficult to manage. This fragility requires careful handling, which may be a drawback for some users, especially if children are involved. Another common difficulty relates to the size of the paper slips. The notes must be rolled very tightly to fit inside the capsules and secured with the small golden rings. Many users found this task time-consuming and somewhat frustrating, as the paper can tear easily during rolling. Some have resorted to trimming the paper to make rolling easier. Despite this, the effort invested in preparing the notes is often seen as worthwhile due to the product's sentimental value. The product is considered reasonably priced for what it offers. The materials included glass jar, capsules, paper slips, and rings would be more cumbersome and costly to source individually. This all-in-one kit simplifies the process and provides a ready-made, aesthetically coherent package that is both cute and functional. From a usability perspective, the capsules are easy to open and close, allowing users to refill or customize the messages as desired. This feature supports the idea of the gift being reusable and adaptable, making it suitable for ongoing exchanges of affirmations between loved ones. The size of 50 capsules strikes a balance between quantity and manageability, as writing 50 notes is achievable without being overwhelming. The product's emotional resonance is a key strength. It is described as the gift that keeps giving, especially in relationships where both parties engage with the concept by writing and exchanging notes. This interactive element adds depth and personal significance beyond a typical gift. In summary, the Inspirational Quotes in Capsules Gifts for Women by Infometry is a thoughtfully designed product that combines motivation, creativity, and aesthetic appeal. It is ideal for anyone looking to give a meaningful, personalized gift that encourages positivity and emotional connection. While the fragility of the capsules and the effort required to prepare the notes may pose minor inconveniences, these are outweighed by the product's charm and impact. It is recommended for couples, friends, or family members seeking a unique way to express care and encouragement. The product's presentation and concept make it an excellent choice for gifting on special occasions or as a daily reminder of strength and positivity. Users are encouraged to share their own experiences and reviews to help others discover the value of this distinctive gift set.